What's your name?
Austin.
Hi.
Hi.
Friday. Can you sing it? Friday, Friday.
I don't know the lyrics.
Is that your brother? What do you think of him, Austin?
He's one of a kind.
Yeah? You like your brother?
Yep.
Cool.
Stop snailing, Josh.
Maxie, speak. 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 Good boy. Sit. Sit. You gotta back up. Back up. Speak. Sit.
Sit.
Speak, Max.
Speak.
Speak. Speak. Speak. Ooh, big dog. You're a good dog. Yeah, you're a good boy.
Yeah, I took you for that.